Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Epic Games when you cannot launch the game. Error code LS0013. So what fixed it for me today is actually you can go ahead and close Epic Games Launcher. Then you want to open up Task Manager. On Task Manager you want to find Epic Games Launcher. So you can go ahead and find it here, or you can go ahead and search for it. Then you right click on it and end the task. Once you will end the task, you also want to close some other applications which may interfere, so like Steam or OBS, or basically which has a lot of memory here and CPU usage. Now after that you can close Task Manager. After that you want to go on search and search for Epic Games Launcher, and then right click on it and open file location. Again, find Epic Games Launcher and open file location again, and then you will be redirected to this page where you will see exe file of Epic Games Launcher. Right click on it, go to properties, go to compatibility, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as administrator, apply and OK. Once you have done that, you want to open up your Epic Games Launcher, and after that you want to go ahead and find the game which did not launch for you. For example, it was with Rocket League for me. So you're gonna click these three dots on your library, then you're gonna click manage, and you will see verify files. So you want to click verify. It will take like up to 5 to 10 minutes. And after that, the problem should be fixed. Also, you want to check your settings for some Windows update. Now, if you will check for updates, and if there's any updates, you want to make sure you update it. If not, that should fix your problem by verifying the files and running Epic Games Launcher as administrator. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.